morning children. We have completed the topic circle, definition of the circle and the various parts of the circle like center, radius, diameter, chord, segment, then sector. All these parts we have already completed. Now we are coming to this exercise 4.6. In this first question, this circle is given and the various parts are given. Here the various parts are asked and you have to write down the name of that. Like first it is asked the center of the circle. You have to name the center of the circle. What is the name of the center of the circle here? Where is the center? This is the center. So what is its name? It is O. So you will have to write here O. This is the center of the circle. The radii. Radii means plural form of radius. That is at least 2 radius you have to tell. So here any of the 2 radius you can take. First to tell how many radius you are seeing here. Radius means from the center to the point on the circle. From the center to the point on the circle. That is OA is one radius, OC is another radius, OB is the third radius. So any of the 2 you can write down. Or radii is asked, all the 3 also you can write. So OA is the first radius, OB is the second radius and OC is the third radius. So more than one plural form of radius, that is radii. All these 3 radius we have written here. Now A diameter. Diameter is what? Center. Passing through the center and touching 2 points on the circle. 2 points on the circle passing through the center. That is AOC. So that is directly AC we will write down here. AC. This is the diameter. A chord. Chord means what? 2 points on the circle. And not necessarily that it will be passing through the center. It can go from anywhere. Just 2 points should be on the circle. So ED is one chord. ED is one chord. And AC is also one chord. These 2 are the chords. Definitely this AC is passing through the center. That doesn't matter. But it is 2 point on the circle. So it is a chord. So ED and AC. These both are the chords. Now 2 points in the interior. Inside the circle. Inside the circle 2 points. So one point is this P in the interior and the other point is O. So one point is O in the interior and the other point is P in the interior of the circle. Now A point in the exterior. Exterior means outside. Outside means outside this circle. One point Q is given. So Q is only the one point outside the circle in the exterior. Next, A sector. Sector means angle. Type of angle forming and the shaded part of that. One type of angle and the shading form is there. So this shaded form is the sector. That is AOB in the angle form and the shaded part of them. So you will be writing here AOB. This is the sector. Then the segment. Segment is shaded part formed by the chord. Shaded part formed by the chord. This is the chord and shaded part. So ED. ED. Shaded part. In bracket you can write down shaded. Here also and here also. Then it will be more clear. This shaded part of the angle is the sector and this shaded part of the chord is the segment. So this is completed. So this you will be just practicing. If you have any doubt during the class, you can ask or through the school website you can clear that. Now next question. Is every diameter of a circle also a chord? What is diameter? Let us draw one circle and draw the diameter. Suppose this is a circle, this is a center and this is the diameter. Suppose this is O and this is AB. This is the diameter. Now, is every diameter of a circle is also a chord? What is the definition of a chord? Chord means 2 points on the circle, 2 points on the circle and drawing one line through that. So two points on the circle and joining them. That is the chord passing through the center or not passing through the center. That doesn't matter for the chord. Diameter is passing through the center. So this line is also a chord. So yes, every diameter of a circle is also a chord. This sentence you will be completing. Yes, every diameter is also a chord. This is because it is joining the 2 points on the circle. Now coming to the next part, just reverse of this. Is every chord of a circle also a diameter? In the reverse order. Again draw one circle. Every chord. Let us take any of the chord. Suppose we are taking this chord A and B. Every chord. Any of the chord we are taking. Every chord of a circle also a diameter. For diameter, the condition is that it should pass through the center. This is the center of the circle. Is this chord passing through the center? No. So every chord not necessarily a diameter. It is not necessary that every chord will be a diameter. It can be diameter but not necessarily. So here you will write down not necessarily. It can be. It can be. It can be a diameter but not necessarily. Not necessarily diameter but it can be a diameter. Third question. You have to draw one circle and you have to rough part of the circle and you have to mark all these points. So, how you have to do? Draw any circle and mark all these. So, suppose we are drawing one circle. One center is asked, one radius is asked, one diameter, a sector, segment, point in its interior, point in exterior and an arc. All these things are asked. Suppose we take this example of question number 1 itself. You can get all these parts. Let us check. Its center. O is the center. You will get O here. A radius. All these 3 radius you have got here. Any one radius you can take. A diameter. Diameter also we got here. A sector. Sector means shaded part AOB. That also you got here. A segment. Segment ED. Chord shaded part. That is segment you got there. Point in interior. O is the point in the interior. O and P also given here. Point in the exterior. Q is the point in the exterior. So just similar, and an arc is also asked. Only this one is the extra thing. Arc means a small part of the circle. Small part of the circle means you can just write E, D and marking like this. This is arc. Writing format of the arc. If you write ED and line like this, this is the line segment ED. But arc is asked, so you have to draw arc. That is the small part of the circle. Now, fourth question is asked. Similar like question 1. Then only this thing is extra I have given here. Fourth question is asked, write true or false. Write true or false. First is, 2 diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. Let us check it. One circle, this is one diameter, this is another diameter. Will it intersect? Yes, they are intersecting. So, first answer will be yes. First answer will be yes. 2 diameters are intersecting. Second, to the center of a circle is always in its interior. Circle, you are drawing one circle. This is the center. Is it in the interior part or in the exterior part? It is in the interior. Will you get center at the outside? No, never it is possible. So yes, the diameter is in the interior. The answer is yes. So here we have completed the exercise. This question number 3, all this. You have to draw the circle and mark these points. It is just similar like question number 1 and all this I have explained. So this completed exercise 4.6. In this way we have completed this chapter, basic geometrical ideas. If you have any kind of doubt, you can just clear that through the school's website. If it will be any doubt, I will be clearing that. Or else when the school will start, you can again ask or clear your doubts. And further about the written notes, you can get through the school website. As you are getting these videos, you will get the written notes also. Thank you for today's class.